Today I'm going to show you how to add a photo in Photopea in the fastest and easiest way possible, whether you want to place an image into an existing project or open a photo as a brand new project. This is a super useful skill if you're editing thumbnails, creating social media graphics, making collages, or just getting started with Photopea. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, let's look at the most common method. Adding a photo to an existing project as a new layer. This is the option you want if you already have a canvas open and you want to place another image on top of it. To do that, go up to the top menu bar and click File. Then choose Open and Place. A file browser will appear, and from there you can select the image you want to add from your computer. Once you click Open, Photopea will place that image directly into your project as a new layer. When the photo appears, you'll notice blue transform handles around it. These handles are there so you can resize the image, move it around, and position it exactly where you want on the canvas. If the image is too large or too small, simply drag the corners to scale it. If you need to move it, click and drag it into place. Once you're happy with the size and placement, press Enter on your keyboard or click the check mark in the top bar to confirm the placement and lock it in. This method is recommended because it gives you the most control and keeps the photo as a separate layer. That means you can continue editing the image without affecting the rest of your project. It's perfect for later designs, product mockups, banners, and creative photo edits. Now let's go over the second option, drag and drop. This is the quickest method if you already have the file on your desktop or in a folder and you just want to drop it straight into Photopea. All you need to do is find the image file on your computer, click and drag it directly onto the Photopea canvas, and then release the mouse button. Photopea will bring the image into your project right away. From there, just adjust the size if needed, move it into position, and press Enter to place it. If you're working fast and don't want to go through the menu, drag and drop is a great shortcut. It's simple, intuitive, and works really well for quick edits. Just remember that after dropping the image in, you still need to confirm it by pressing Enter, otherwise the transform may not be applied. Now let's talk about a slightly different workflow, opening a photo as a brand new project. This is the method to use when you want to edit a single photo from scratch instead of placing it into an existing design. To do this, go to File, then click Open. You can also use the keyboard shortcut CMD+O on Mac or Ctrl+O on Windows. Select your photo from your computer and click Open. Once you do that, Photopea will automatically create a new canvas that matches the exact dimensions and resolution of your image. This is really helpful because you don't have to manually set up the document size. The photo opens as the main background of the project, and now you can start editing right away. You can crop it, retouch it, add text, apply effects, or place additional images on top. So to quickly recap, if you want to add a photo into an existing design, use Open and Place or Drag and Drop. If you want to start a new project with just one image, use File and Open. Both methods are easy, and once you know them, you can work much faster in Photopea. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more easy tutorials just like this. And if you want, I can also show you how to resize a photo in Photopea, remove the background, or create a thumbnail next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.